Hello everyone, my name is Zelda.
And I'm Spyro the Dragon.
Today we've brought the final package for this year of 2026. The last package. But before you say anything, no. The last package of this video is not the end of the unboxing series. Well, in 2026, there will be a new season for the DMBG unboxing. Yep, agreed. So yeah, don't worry about that. We're still going to do the unboxing videos. But for now, let us begin the quick video. Alright, I'm all fired up. Zelda, well, this is your first unboxing video, so I think you should do the honors. Why? Certainly. It would be my honor. I brought the scissors. It's a little tricky to unbox. I think I got it open. My, that's a lot of bubble paper. You mean bubble wrap? Right, bubble wrap. I'm very sorry about that. Well, it's because that my game is based on Dungeons and Dragons of the medieval. Yeah, I felt your pain. Alright, let's see what we got. Alright, wait a minute, this guy is way a minute. Is that frozen toast? Sunburn! Is that you? Spyro! Man, good to see you! Haven't seen you since Skylanders Imaginators. You know him, Spyro? Of course! Me and him fought against chaos a bunch of times. Yup, still remember the good time that you and I faced against Maverick. Oh yes, Maverick. That guy always gets into our skin. Glad he's now a statue. Absolutely. This Maverick guy is horrible. Well, he's the Dragon King's brother. And, well, is actually the undead dragon. Agreed. My. You know, what's an acquaintance to know about something? Really? Anyway, it's Spyro. Could you move aside real quick? Sure thing. Well, it's nice to meet you, Sunburn. Pleasure is all mine, Zelda. All mine. Wait, how do you know my name? Oh, well, in Skylander Superchargers, Bowser told, Bowser told me everything about you, where you and Bowser face against each other in Super Smash Bros. Good point, I believe. Yep. You know what? I think Skylanders should go to Super Smash Bros. Game for the Nintendo Switch too. Well, that is a good idea, but however, it's what Sakurai chose. Because, trust me, licensing the games would be, to pick would be very tricky. Yep, like he said, good point. Anyway, well, time for me to go. See ya! Bye! What? Let's unbox another package. Zelda, we've got the only package, and it was unboxed. You know what I mean. Oh my goodness, Sparks! It's you! Long time no see, buddy! Yeah, it's good to see you too. You got quite adventures, huh? Well done. Huh. I felt jealous about how you weakening. You are a good adventuring dragonfly. Did somebody say dragons? What? No, Georgia! No! Besides, Sparks is a dragonfly, not an actual dragon. Besides, not in this video. But sorry about that, buddy. Long story. Yep, I know. Hey look! A winged shoe! Let me try it on. Wait, seriously? Don't judge me! Please. cut that part.
Well, I suppose I should try to chew on.
What, seriously? Aren't you wearing boots and...
Don't ask questions you're not prepared to handle the answer to. Oh my word! This boot have wings! Oh man, I can't believe I'm flying! This is quite unique! Last time I fly was in Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild.
Yep, I agreed. Alright, let's do the last one, Zelda.
Very good.
But first, can I take this off? Sure thing. Alright.
Right. We got right here are cards. Okay. That's something, I guess. Not the last one. Alright. Well, what you know? It is Dragon's Peak. Why, how delightful. Now this is very, very good.
It is. Wow, very neat. Alright everyone, let's show off the items. Alright, Sunburn, come up. You too, Sparks. Alright then. Oh, Sparks! Haha, good to see you, flying dude. Oh man, long time no see. When you help us take down Maverick. Yep, I know. Yep, awesome. Alright, we got Sunburn and Sparks the Dragonfly, a Skylander, and item. Alright, Zelda, may tell the rest of the parts while I'll name them? Certainly! Yep, very good wings design. The horn with the fire symbol of it. And Sparks' item that is powerful that help us. Face and wings. You know, he looks just like... Well, his face looks exactly like the Sparks from The Legend of Spyro. Dawn of the Dragon mixed with Skylanders, Spyro the Dragon Hero Tales. Sorry about that, Sparks. Sparks says it's okay. We all make mistakes sometimes. Agreed. Next we have
the winged boot. I will say, it's very fascinating. We got the wings right there. I believe it helped us speed up the characters. And last but not least, Dragon's Peak. A brand new level for the Skylander games. We got some beautiful stairs and a good pool.
Well, everyone, that's it for today. We're going to do more DMBG unboxing videos coming your way if Maverick got to buy them. Yup. Stay toasty, everyone.
Farewell.
Meow, meow.